Hello बच्चों, let's start the question. The question says that ice begins to separate at minus 0.744 degrees centigrade from a solution containing 2.4 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte in 100 gram water. Calculate the molar of mass of solute and the osmotic pressure which the solution would exert at 20 degrees centigrade. Kf 4:2 is 1.86 k mole per kg. Assume mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution. Now solve the question, and key concept of this question is colligative properties and freezing point depression. Let's see how we'll proceed here. The freezing point of solution are all lower than that of the pure solvent and is directly proportional to the molality of the solute. Let's moving forward. Delta Tf equal to Tf naught minus Tf equal to Kf. Let the molar mass of electrolyte be X. Delta Tf is freezing point depression. Tf is freezing point of solution and Kf is depression constant. Now molality M equal to 2.4 upon X upon 100 upon 1000. After that we will get 24 upon X. So delta Tf equal to 0 minus into minus 0.744 equal to 0.744. So Kf equal to 1.86. Therefore 0.744 equal to 24 upon X into 1.86. This implies X equal to 60. So molar mass of the electrolyte is 60 gram per mole. That will be 60 10 equal to 6. Let's moving forward. Pi equal to CRT and R equal to 0.0821. So T equal to 300 K. As we know, delta Tf equal to Kfm 0.744 equal to 1.86 into m. Therefore, m equal to 0.4 mole per kg. C equal to m equal to concentration. In the equation, pi equal to CRT, putting the value of C and R and T, we get pi equal to 0.4 into 0.0821 into 300. After that we will get pi equal to 9.852, which will be our answer. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.